Hello everyone, we have a question here. It's a question from NECO, November, December 2025. Question 3, our objective. We have simplify 1 over number 4 over 5 plus 3 over number 1 over 2 divided by 26 over number 1 over 2. Here are the options. Solution. We have 1 whole number 4 over 5 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 26 whole number 1 over 2. Here we had what we have here together. I'll do what we have in this bracket first. 1 plus 3 will give us 4. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 times 4, 8. Plus 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 times 1, 5. Divided by 26 whole number 1 over 2. Here we are going to have 4 whole number 8 plus 5 will give us 13 over 10. Divided by 26 whole number 1 over 2. To proceed, we need to change this to an improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction or a mixed number. We call it a mixed fraction, a mixed number. We'll change this to improper fraction. That is, we have 4 whole number 13 over 10. That's going to give us 4 times 10 plus 13 all over 10. That's 40 plus 13 over 10. That's going to be 40 plus 13 is going to give us 53 over 10. So here becomes 53 over 10. Then we also have 26 whole number 1 over 2. That's 26 times 2 plus 1 all over 2. 26 times 2 is going to give us 52 plus 1. 52 plus 1, that's going to give us 53 over 2. So we have here to be divided by 53 over 2. Then we have equals 53 over 10. We change this division sign to multiplication. When we change this to multiplication, we reciprocate this. This turns to 2 over 53. Then here in this case, 53 will cancel out 53. I left it to 1 over 10 times 2 over 1. And that's something as 2 over 10. 2 over 10 is something as, by the time you simplify, 2 here 1, 2 here goes here 5. You have this to be 1 over 5. And that's option A. Ṣó le, kò le.